Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about palindrome words in Python. So first of all, what is palindrome words? Palindrome words are words that give the same result when you read the word from the beginning or the end, or from the left to right as right to left, it will give the same result. So to find palindromic words using Python, we first need to remove the punctuation marks from the sentence. Then we need to move on the rest of the condition. Now let's see how to find palindrome words using Python from any sentence. So here we create a one function. Function name is given palindrome func. So we create a function. After that, we have removed the punctuation marks from the sentence. So for that, we have create one loop in available punctuation marks and replace with space. After that, we have create one empty list of palindrome number, which will give result of particular palindrome number available in sentence. And after that we have split the sentence into space, so it sentence dot split will split the sentence into words. After that we have create one for loop for each word, and it word dot lower will convert the all words into lowercase, and this is the main condition for palindrome number. If word equal word colon colon minus 1, then it will append the word into palindrome list which we create before, and it will give the list of the all palindrome number. If condition will, or if condition check word word is palindrome or not. So let's run this program. Okay, I think we have to restart this kernel. Now run this program. Yeah, now enter a sentence. Here I am going to enter a sentence like Harry is my dog name. Let's enter. So it will give the list of all available palindrome words in sentence. So here is LOL is a palindrome word. That's all for today. We will discuss more Python programming in next session. Stay safe and keep learning. Thank you very much.